welcome back. Now, before you customize the look, it's probably a good idea to put your content inside of your digital store. And what we're going to be doing is a number of links that are already on the domain inside of our System.io account. For example, if you don't have a blog, you can set one up. And what you're going to do is to go to your website tab. You will then want to go to your blogs tab. You'll then be able to choose the domain. If you have a domain set up on System.io, you can use it. We're going to put a name to our blog. Now, in this case, what you can do is you can name your blog. And so what we're going to do is we're going to write in the word blog. You can write it in whatever you want, or you can make it so that the blog is actually the path for the entire domain. We're going to use the word blog and we're going to save it. But before we save it, we're going to need to choose a template. And you can choose one of the templates that you think will reflect what you want your brand to be. If you need to preview the template, you can do it, and you can click the preview of the template here. Then you'll be able to see what the template is going to look like. We are going to select a template, and we are then going to click Save. Once we've done that, our blog is now saved. We can go to the ellipsis, and we can view the blog. And our blog is now on the web. We will need to customize this blog in order to make it fit what it is that we are doing. What we need to do now is to add the blog to our digital store, and we will do that in the next video. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in the next video.